Are you an individual who has a passion for writing? Are you a school or college student who wants international achievement and build an ECA worth to get you acceptances from Harvard, MIT, or Stanford? Are you stressed and dumbfounded by the hectic process of writing Common App essay? Want to secure a gold, silver, or bronze at the prestigious Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition? Then this workshop is just for you. A former bronze awardee of the Queen's Commonwealth Essay Competition will unravel the tips and tricks to write a stellar essay for a medal-winning essay. Also, a professional author with 7 US college acceptances, including the Duke University, will guide you through the Common App essay writing strategy to make your stellar college application. Already 9 students have joined this workshop. What are you waiting for? To confirm a seat, register now by filling the Google form given in the caption. Thank you.